Is WordPress still worth learning in 2025? Or is it time to move on? Today we're answering a big question: is WordPress still relevant in 2025? Let's break it down. 1. WordPress powers the web, still. First things first, WordPress still powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. From personal blogs to massive e-commerce stores, it's everywhere. And it's open source, flexible, and constantly evolving. 2. Job opportunities and freelancing. Whether you want to freelance, build your own site, or work at an agency, WordPress skills are in demand. There are thousands of job listings for WordPress developers, designers, and even content managers. 3. The ecosystem is still growing. WordPress isn't just one platform. It's an entire ecosystem. Thousands of themes. Tens of thousands of plugins. From WooCommerce for online stores to Elementor and Gutenberg for design, it keeps getting better. Whatever you want to build, online course, booking platform, blog, agency website, WordPress has the tools. 4. What about no-code platforms? Great question. Platforms like Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, and Shopify are awesome. But they serve specific use cases. With WordPress, you're not stuck in a walled garden. You can fully customize, own your data, host anywhere, and scale however you want. 5. Is it beginner-friendly in 2025? Absolutely. With page builders, modern themes, and AI integrations, WordPress is more beginner-friendly than ever. And the learning curve? Easier now, thanks to thousands of free tutorials, forums, and communities. Plus, as you learn WordPress, you're naturally exposed to real web design, basic coding, SEO, skills that transfer across careers. Final verdict. So, is WordPress still worth learning in 2025? If you want to build beautiful websites, freelance, start an online business, or future-proof your career, yes, 100%. It's not outdated, it's underrated. What do you think? Are you using WordPress in 2025? Drop your thoughts below, and hit that like button if you found this helpful.